How to assemble the whole cable set with the C Premium or the Classic clock. Our system works only with the original Chess Evolution products. It includes the CE board, the E-chess pieces, the C Premium clock or the Classic clock, and the ceConnect device. First, the board must be connected to the clock with the help of a USB cable. The board has to be connected to a ceConnect with the help of an Ethernet cable. Then the ceConnect must be connected to a computer with the help of a USB cable. The DC adapter must be connected to the ceConnect unit. Then we have to set the board ID on the clock. That can be done in the main menu of the clock when it is turned on. We have to press the white versus black display for 5 seconds. In the case of the Classic clock, the board ID can be set by pressing the start button a bit longer. If we want to connect several boards with the help of cables, then we will need a Y connector. The ceConnect unit must be connected to the Y connector from where another Ethernet cable is attached to the board, and a third Ethernet cable may be connected to either another board or another Y connector.